I started Cadenza Innovation in 2012. We learned about the successes and trepidations of the lithium-ion paradigm, and we saw this enormous opportunity to take what the industry had learned from so many years and put it one step further.
Over the past months, Cadenza Innovation has worked with NYPA to develop a system that provides a significantly improved lithium-ion battery cell. This cutting-edge technology could be the solution for safe, reliable, and affordable energy storage. A 50 kilowatt, 250 kilowatt hour battery storage system is now installed outside NYPA's White Plains offices.
NYSERDA was proud to provide $1 million in support for Cadenza's energy storage project through our innovation program.
And we drove together high-definition energy storage solution and offers immediate peak shaving opportunities for NYPA.
Governor Andrew Cuomo has enacted the country's most ambitious climate protection legislation. Battery storage is such a critical component of this vision of the future, and the Cadenza Innovation Project is an important step forward.